Yes, Your Honor, anyway, since the cause of death was electrocution, is it possible the victim died from being hit by a bolt of lightning?
My salary wasn't nearly enough, so I stole data from the company.
Wait, coming in? Miss Desiree Delight, the defendant's wife.
But listen to me, my Desi,
It's been a long time, Mr. Judge.
Ah!
My name is Diego Armando. The poison stamp was sealed in a glass frame where it sat for 7 whole years.
Oh!
They're not in the court, actually. They're watching everything by video camera.
So, everything was leading to this, of course. Right.
A failure as a reporter?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh! No talking in class!
Ow, damn it!
What the fuck? Oh! No! What? His face! Okay, you got me. I guess I have to show you who I really am now. Oh. What the fuck? And that's why the man's hands were raised in the air.
I'm Betty. Betty to fame. Do you even know where you are? Barbed head. Ew. Ah! I'ma cut you, witch!
Quran! Your reign of terror ends here! Hold it! What's happening? Who is it now?
I Princess Rafe.
I mean, you just saw her in the video chat, right?
You NicoB.